Hey, it's me, Kat. Today I'm going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. Cool, right? No, I know. I know what you're thinking. Why are you doing chocolate chip cookie videos after you've been doing 3 coding videos already? Trust me, I don't know. I was just thinking, it's quarantine. I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies. And then I'm like, oh, why not make a video about it? Dun dun dun! Okay, that was a bit overdramatic. But today I'm using Betty Crocker. If I can find the cookies. Right there. So, I already have all the ingredients out. I've been looking at that earlier, but the thing is, like, you know, I don't want to
be suffering around
searching for them. So, the ingredients, I'm not going to go over them. I'm not that kind of weird person, but, basically, cool. So, we're going to start by, preheating the oven to 375 degrees. There. What do I do now? I'm gonna mix the sugars, because we have brown sugar and white sugar. Margarine, which is actually just gonna be butter. Shortening, egg, and vanilla. Got a bowl. I'm gonna need some measuring stuff, so I've got these. I'm sorry for the loud noises. I've got these measuring cups here. I hope they'll work. We're gonna start with some sugar. I'm just gonna move that butter out of the way. I got some Domino sugar. We bought this thing, it was full of sugar, then we've just been refilling it, and I drew all over the top. We had this thing for like 3 years, but whatever. I'm gonna need half a cup of sugar. Just using normal recipe, not doubling it. This is half a cup, right? Yes, it is. That was satisfying. Now we're gonna need half a cup brown chopped. Why? No, not chopped. Packed. So I am going to put it away because I'm gonna put things away before I don't know. I'm done with the sugar. Go away! Whoops. Whoops again. So, just white sugar. See? Nothing crazy. I just love squishing this butter. That's pure cane dark brown sugar. So the thing is, we usually keep the scissors in this drawer and also the can opener, but the thing is, like, those things just recently have disappeared, and we found the can opener in the dishwasher. So, but the scissors are not in the dishwasher, so I don't know what they were thinking. Like, what's the point even? Would you like some plastic on a stick? But with molasses in it. I don't know what I just said. Goodbye. So now I'm gonna take this big fat thing of brown sugar and just. It's not coming out. Oh. That stayed in form a lot. Okay, these things are like good for stuff, but they're also as loud as heck. I'm just gonna get this mixer thing out because I know I'm gonna have to mix in some chunks of butter, but not yet. So margarine which I'm just using normal butter. Trust me, it works. And I'm just gonna cut 1/3 of a cup, which they have these nice markings. Don't judge me for cutting it with the paper on, okay? I'll judge you for watching this video, because it's probably gonna not turn out that good. You problem solved. What now? Margarine. No, shortening. Where's the egg? I'm gonna put the egg in first because the egg needs to be egged. I can't get the eggs open. That's how weird I am. Finally. That was an eggshell. That's not good. Oh, it's on me. Ew. Go back in the fridge with the mustard. The mustard is horrible. Anyone who loves mustard? No, just no. The egg yolk broke. That's fine. Vanilla. Shortening though. I need to get the shortening. What do I need exactly? How much shortening do I need? People, you need to get it right. Shortening and butter are not the same things. No. I should be telling myself that. Get in there. So, vanilla. Put the vanilla away, 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 away. Why am I singing? God. Please help me. Whoa. Nearly knocked over the camera. That would not be good. So now, I turn on the blender thing. It's not plugged in. Alright, now look here. I'm just gonna stab these in here. Hope I don't press that on accident. And now, mix that in. There. Salmonella is my favorite flavor. What next? Salt. How much salt do I need? 1/2 teaspoon salt. How about 1/4 teaspoon salt? I don't like salty cookies. It's a bit too much. Just kind of. Problem solved. Now what? Ignore me licking that. It tastes like salt! 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Only 1/2 teaspoon? Are you sure you don't want chemical cookies? Like, my mom went to college once, and there were cookies there, and she got me a cookie, and it opened up my lunch, and I'm like, oh, a cookie, how nice of her. And I bit into the cookie, and I realized it tasted like chemicals, and I'm like, why does this taste like chemicals? And it turns out that place, they actually put way too much baking soda in. Egg. Just gonna carry this baking soda away. There. I'm back. Right. What am I doing? So now, that should be it. Wait a second. I missed the most important ingredients. The chocolate. No. Flour. Flour on my MIT sweatshirt again. We are not sponsored by MIT. Flour be gone. So now I'm just gonna need, nope. Flour does not go there. Whoopsie. What am I doing? So I'm gonna need 6 ounces of chocolate chip cookies, but guess what? I'm sad. We only get 6 ounces. I'm gonna stab it open with that fork that I had earlier.
Would you like some plastic on a stick?
And just kind of let them fall into my mouth. The thing I love about recording videos is that my brother isn't allowed to come in and eat all the chocolate chip cookies. Add a bit more. Delicious. So, all the extra chocolate chip in there. This is my final product. Now I'm gonna go get it out to the sheets because basically, I'm not gonna record that. This video is already like 18 minutes long, and I'm gonna edit it. So, goodbye. Just got those into the oven, so I don't have as much batter left, but I'll be able to make a second batch. It says that it's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to bake until they're about light brown and not the dark or color that the batter was. And they look cooked, of course. So, I'm thinking they're going to be pretty good. So I still have some chocolate chips saved, which should be more than enough for next time. And of course I'm not going to be recording another video about making chocolate chip cookies because how boring would that get? I will show you the finished product in about 8 to 10 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 9 minutes.
Sure, 9 minutes. And we're starting now.
That should work. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so I'm thinking that they're probably going to be done now. So I'm just going to go grab the oven mitts that are over here. Yeah. Got him. Oh. I'm not sure how I'm going to grab this. Now, I put them around, I took them and I rolled them all into just perfectly round balls. They're like this, which they also stuck together. And if I had put them any different, then they would have stuck together even more. So I'm glad I did that. Hey Google, stop. All right, so now that I've done my best to separate those cookies, I'm just gonna bring one up the plate. We don't have a lot of milk. I like good cookies. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.